Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hayday on PC without Bluestacks. Many players seek alternatives for a larger screen and better controls. We will explore two main approaches: using other Android emulators or employing screen mirroring technology. Both methods offer unique benefits, from dedicated gaming features to direct phone control. Get ready to transform your farming experience, enjoying Hayday with enhanced precision and visual clarity right from your desktop. Let's dive into the details and get you farming efficiently. Beyond Bluestacks, several excellent Android emulators are available. Nox Player, for instance, is tailored for gamers, offering features like custom keyboard mapping and multi-instance support, letting you run several games at once. EmuPlay is another strong contender, praised for its broad app compatibility and smooth operation. LD Player also stands out for its gaming performance and low resource usage, making it ideal for a wide range of PCs. Simply download, install, and then find Hayday in the integrated App Store. If you prefer not to use an emulator, screen mirroring is a fantastic option. Applications such as iMyFone Mirror 2 or Kingshipper Screen Mirroring allow you to cast your phone's display onto your PC. You connect your mobile device, often via a USB cable or Wi-Fi, and then control Hayday directly from your computer using your mouse and keyboard. This approach leverages your phone's existing performance, offering a direct and often lag-free experience without needing to install a separate Android operating system on your computer. To truly enhance your Hayday experience on PC, consider a few optimization tips. First, verify your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth performance with emulators. Second, customize your keyboard and mouse controls for intuitive farming actions. A stable internet connection is crucial for seamless gameplay and updates. Finally, adjust your display settings to match your monitor's resolution, ensuring crisp visuals and a truly immersive farming adventure. Enjoy your expanded farm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.